Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal and I am back with another video. So in today's video, your girl is bringing you guys a wash routine slash review because the two products that we're going to be using is my first time trying it out, and your girl came across it in her mom and pop shop where I buy a lot of my products. I always try to buy mom and pop as much as I can, especially considering all the stuff that's going on with all these big box companies. But anyway, that's besides the point. Your girl is going to review a shampoo and conditioner from the company Soapbox. So this is the first time I have come across this company. I have not heard of them previously, but their products look really good. They have variety of different ones depending on what you're trying to do for your hair. I'm very much into coconut and shea and all of that stuff, so I wanted to try this combo out first. And also, this is the Deep Moisture collection, and your girl, you know, I have an issue with my hair and moisture and it being dry and all of that stuff. So, and I have a lot of product build up over the past like 2 weeks. We're gonna try this out. I'm gonna wash my hair and we're gonna see what we think. And yeah, before we get into the video, you guys already know, definitely give your girl a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed as yet. And if you're new here, my name's Crystal and I do a bunch of different videos. If you go on my channel, you will see, if you're interested in any of that content, then I would highly suggest that you subscribe and put your post notifications on so you know every time your girl drops another video. So without further ado, let's get into today's wash. So getting a little into the nitty-gritty of these. So this is the Soapbox Coconut and Shea Deep Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. Their products are harsh, sulfate-free, vegan, and color-safe. This particular collection has coconut oil, vitamin E, shea butter. It's supposed to nourish, soften, and moisturize, right? Also on the back, there are some other things. It's vegan, it's dye-free, and it's silicone free. What it says it's supposed to do: lock in moisture, show off your most lush look yet. Known for their intense conditioning qualities, we've blended coconut oil, shea butter, and vitamin E to nourish your hair, help your strands retain moisture, and bring back its natural healthy shine. The product, I will say off the bat, smells really good. It has a very good shea and coconut smell combination. I want to show you guys my hair. It's looking a hot mess. Like literally, look how stiff. Can you see the stiffness? It's because your girl's been gelling it down, putting it in a bun, and going about my day. I have not looked at my hair in the past 2 weeks because life has been lifing and your girl's just been on the move every day. But I really need to take care of it now because, as you guys know, the longer I wait to wash my hair, the more knots and the more shedding I will have. Let me go wet my hair. We're going to put some shampoo in. I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you guys. Alright, so my hair is wet. You will not believe the amount of gunk that was in here. So it was a lot of gel. So I had to really wet it. Anyway, so this is the shampoo. I just wanted you guys to kind of see the consistency. So this is what it looks like, if you can see. So definitely see, you rub it together, it makes this foam. And normally when I use a shampoo in my hair, especially when it's really dirty, it doesn't really set up the first time around. So that's already a good sign for me, right? I'm actually getting some suds with this. Nothing crazy, but it's setting up nonetheless. Look. I do kind of feel a nice kind of softness with it, like almost like a detangling feeling. A lot of times when I use shampoos in my hair, it kind of feels like it's like stripping all my moisture, and then my hair just gets into a whole knotted mess. like this is not feeling like that. Like it literally feels like it's helping me detangle, which is a good sign. It smells like shea and coconut. Also, I forgot to like mention to you guys, so when I go on their website, the price for the shampoo by itself is $10, and then I'm assuming that the conditioner will be the same thing. So this is a pretty affordable company, because when I look up like sets, shampoo and conditioner sets, it's showing, like, as you guys can see here, can this focus? It's showing, look, $20 for the set. So that's pretty affordable if you ask me. And so far so good. So let me rinse this out. I'm gonna do a second wash and then we'll see what my hair looks like. So this is the second wash. A lot more foam. I will say my hair is feeling like very clean already. Feels very hydrated. It's weird, but it's weird to say, but it just feels so fluffy and so hydrated. I'm so curious to see what the conditioner is gonna do. But yeah, I'm trying to see if I can part my hair and see what my scalp is looking like. Is it giving scalp? That is a lot of foam. That is absolutely a lot of foam. All right, let's rinse. So this is my hair after I rinsed out the second shampoo. It's looking like all over the place, like it usually does after I wash it. But we're gonna get into this conditioner now. So let's see what the consistency looks like. I'm kind of dying to see. It's definitely thick. Oh, she's thick. Look at that. Definitely thick with just a little bit. Look how long it stood upside down. Right? So she's definitely thick. I guess that's a good thing. But we're gonna see how it does once I put it in my hair. Okay. Definitely has like a water type feel. It's not heavy. Feels like a conditioner, but oh yeah, she's thick. I gotta really squeeze the bottle to get this out. All right, let's do the back. I'm gonna do the back of my hair, but really the real test is going to be when I use my unbrush to detangle it. That's when I'm really gonna know how good this conditioner is, because I need a good amount of you know, slip so that my hair is not too dry. That way it makes it easier to detangle. 3 pumps to completely saturate my hair. I do have a little bit of shedding, as you can see. Look at that. This is my old detangler. I'm gonna use this because my unbrush is nowhere close at the moment. I'm gonna section this off. Scrunchy, and I'm just gonna scrunch up one side. Leave this side out, and we're gonna untangle this and see what we get. So, it's definitely not that easy to detangle, but I'm just gonna, I definitely have some knots in here. I'm just gonna start from the tip to and work my way up to the root until I can like detangle every single thing. This is gonna take a little while, so I'm gonna do most of it off camera and I'll be back. So I have this part detangled. I just want to show you guys really quick. Like, look at how much shrinkage your girl has. So this is how long my hair actually is, but it's gonna shrink all the way back to the top. I do have a little bit of, well, it's not a little bit, it's a good amount of shedding. Now I'm gonna take this, we're gonna put it in a nice little twist like this with the conditioner in there, right? And we're gonna let that sit, and I'm gonna go detangle the rest. I just wanted to show you guys, you know, the first one being detangled. This is my hair, fully detangled. They said to leave it for 1 to 3 minutes. I think that it's been about that time in terms of me detangling. So now I'm gonna put everything down. So this is fully detangled. As you can see, my hand is like going through it pretty easily. So this is the back, and then this is the other side. So this is my hair fully detangled. So I'm gonna go and rinse all of this out. Like, I have conditioner everywhere, including all over my hands, and then when I come back, I'm gonna give you my thoughts on the shampoo and conditioner, what I feel in terms of how my hair looks and feels and all of that good stuff. So let me go rinse and I'll be back. Oh, this is my hair fully rinsed. I literally have like no product buildup of anything in my hair. Like, you guys should have seen my hair before. Like obviously I stretched it out, I showed it to you guys, but it was really dirty, like one of the dirtiest I've ever seen it. I even tried to do like a quick co-wash in between at one point, like halfway through the week, and it did nothing except spread around all the gunk. So right now it looks super clean. There is no product in here anywhere. Hopefully not, because I can't see the back, but from what I'm seeing, yeah, it's completely clean. I am super happy about this. My thoughts. I like the shampoo. I think it's a very affordable option, and I always say I don't feel like you need to have products, like real expensive products, to give you the results that you're looking for. Like, there are very affordable options out there that do exactly the same thing. This is definitely one of them. Like, my hair, I can still see my curl pattern even in this wash, and that's really good. Sometimes some products, they wash my hair and it's like it won't show my curl pattern at all. Like, my curls just won't come seeping through, and that doesn't mean it's a bad shampoo or conditioner. It just means it's not formulated for curly hair. My hair looks very clean. Like, it did what it was supposed to do, and let me tell you, I'm already sold on it just off of the fact that my hair is clean, because that was a very tough job for a shampoo and conditioner to do, and for me to use something that I've never used before and to get these clean results, I am happy. For only $10, that is not bad at all. This did an amazing job. So what your girl's gonna do now, I'm really just going to curl my hair using some new products that your girl is trying out. I will film this portion of the video as well in terms of showing you guys me using those new products, but obviously that's gonna be a whole new video for a whole other time. Soapbox, you did your thing. There are a variety, like I said before, of other combinations. I will definitely be trying more of these. I'm pretty sure you can find these on Amazon. They have a website, you can get on the website. And this is a very good, decent amount. This is a 16 ounce. So this will last you a couple of washes. And listen, it foamed up so amazingly, like on 2 washes, just 2 washes. I had amazing suds and my hair felt thoroughly cleaned and washed. So this is gonna last a very long time. If anything, you may go through the conditioner way faster than you go through the shampoo. I really liked it. I would definitely rate this like at least a 7 out of a 10. I think anything above a 6 is good in your girl's rating book. I really like it. Obviously, I have to keep using it for me to really know the extent of what it will do to my hair, like if it's gonna help at all with moisture like it says, but we'll see. Definitely check out Soapbox if you haven't already. If you've tried it, let your girl know in the comment section Do you like it? Which collection you have tried, and has it helped your hair in any way or in any way? And of course, if you want to try it, I will definitely leave the links in the description box of my video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for your girls curl video, which will probably most likely come right after this video. So make sure you give today's video a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to your girl's channel, and make sure your post notification is turned on so you get all your girls notifications whenever I leave a new video. And of course, follow me on social media, Chrisyslane, on all your girls social media platforms. So make sure you follow me for any other content your girl does outside of YouTube. I love you guys as always for watching, and I will check you guys on my next video. Mwah.